You can see the quality of Snapchat camera is not so good. But after following this trick, your camera quality will be very good, so watch the video carefully. Go back and open Play Store. Tap on search bar and search for Snapchat application. Now uninstall the Snapchat application. Now look carefully at the trick I am going to tell you. Go back and open Chrome browser. Tap on search bar and search for Snapchat latest version. Open the website that comes first. Now download this application. Now open latest version of Snapchat. Now turn on focus. Now you can feel that the camera quality of your mobile has improved a bit.